Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error here on Windows PC. So as you can see here, it says automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly. This will work for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started and see the solution that you can try and see if it works for you. So the first thing, we go here on Advanced Options and click on Troubleshoot here. Then we click Advanced Options, and here we're going to click on Command Prompt. Use the command prompt for advanced troubleshooting. Click on this. Now here we're going to use our username here. Click on your username of your PC. So I'm going to choose mine here. And here, if you have password, type in your password. If you don't have any password, just click on continue. If you don't have any password on your Windows, click continue. And we get to this cmd.exe here. This were the commands we need to type. So this is the first command that we need to type is this one: boot rec space /fix mbr, like this, and press enter. And as you can see, operation completed successfully. And now the second command is this one: boot rec again space /rebuild bcd, and click on enter. And this is going to take a little bit of time, like 1 minute or something like that. For you, maybe less or maybe more, depends on your PC. So here, as you can see, again, it should say completed successfully once again. And now we can close this, and we can click either on continue the Windows 10 or turn off your PC. So I'm gonna click on continue Windows 10 to see if it works. And now, as you can see, it boots normally in Windows 10 without any problems, without any issues. So if you still encounter this problem with Windows, I'll will see to find other solutions for this problem. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.